Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I hope you enjoyed the first video, and today we're gonna go a little deeper on types of mushrooms, because I always got asked this question. Like the mushrooms you see on Whole Foods, on Amazon, what are they? Are they legal? Are Portobello mushrooms psychedelic? What's going on? So we're gonna uncover all of that. Please watch this video. There will be other videos on mushrooms as well, and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. So types of mushrooms. In my opinion, mushrooms is like God. They can heal you, they can feed you, they can nourish you, they can even kill you, you know, if you're not careful. There's so many types of mushrooms and they're amazing. So 3 types of mushrooms: the psychedelic kind. The psychedelic mushrooms are a type of mushrooms known as magic mushrooms who contain a substance called psilocybin. Psilocybin is a compound that's gonna make the magic, and we're gonna talk all about it in the next videos. Then we also have your edible gourmet mushrooms. Those are the mushrooms that we cook with and we eat. Those are your shiitakes, maitakes, portobello, baby whatever, porcini, chanterelle, baby bella. There's so many. I love them all. Actually, my favorite mushroom in Brazil, we call them champignons. It's just like pickle mushroom. Is mushroom in a vinegar jar. I like to put them in my stroganoff. And I also like to grill portobello mushrooms. So portobello are those like really big ones. Throw them on the grill. It's a great idea, and it's super nourishing, and it has a lot of nutrients as well. Fun fact, so white button mushrooms, the little ones, the cremini mushrooms, and the portobello mushrooms, the bigger one, they're actually the same mushroom. They're just harvested at a different time. So edible gourmet mushrooms, some of them have a lot of nutritional benefits as well, such as shiitake and maitake, on top of being delicious. So, and then the third kind, which is, you know, a kind that it's been understudied in the West, but it's been around for millennia in the Eastern cultures, in traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurveda, are your medicinal mushrooms. And I think now the medicinal mushrooms, they're making a huge comeback because they're so popular. And if you go to Whole Foods, you can see a whole shelf of all sorts of mushroom products, and there's so much misinformation regarding those mushrooms and what they do, right? So the most popular, so what are medicinal mushrooms? Medicinal mushrooms are gonna be mushrooms who they have these medicinal compounds. They have these vitamins and compounds. They really support. They're also sometimes called adaptogens. They really support our system. So like maybe if I take turkey tail, for example, for immunity, I was gonna catch a cold, but because I've been supplementing with turkey tail, I don't catch a cold. So I'm also not feeling anything, but not catching a cold. Or you have lion's mane for focus, which people use it in replacement for ADHD. We have cordyceps for energy and sex and libido. So we have all these different kinds of medicinal mushrooms that offer support to our body in different ways. How to eat them? Many ways: in your coffee, tea, in a capsule. I actually brought one that I have at home. It's called the Immune Mushroom Blend. It has cordyceps, reishi, turkey tail, shiitake, and chaga. And you can buy this. Can you just take them a couple times? No. You have to consistently take them in prevention along. So traditional Chinese medicine and Eastern medicine is all about preventative. It's all about doing things to your body and supplementing with the necessary things to prevent sickness, to just, you know, go ahead on that. We also have reishi, chaga. Those are also very popular medicinal mushrooms that people like to use. Do you need medicinal mushrooms? It depends, right? Like I personally only use this one because every time I know I'm going on an important trip, a month before a trip, I supplement with the Immune Blend. And there's other people who, for concentration, supplement with lion's mane. There's a lot of good research on lion's mane supplementation as far as concentration and creating some neurogenesis, some focus, and just helping your brain to really become high power. So leave on the comments below any questions you might have about these types of mushrooms. Subscribe to my YouTube, and please stay tuned for next videos where we're gonna dive deeper on psychedelic mushrooms and all of that. Thank you.